In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access iCloud photos on your iPhone. This simple guide will help you make sure all your cherished memories and important images are easily available whenever you need them. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. To begin with, it's important to ensure that your photos are set up to sync with iCloud. This means we'll first want to make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled on your device. So let's head over to your iPhone's settings. Once you're in settings, look for your Apple ID at the top of the screen. This is typically your name, and upon tapping it, you'll find an option labeled iCloud. Tap on iCloud and you should see a section for photos. Here you'll need to make sure that the option to sync this iPhone is turned on. This setting allows your photos to be stored in iCloud and ensures they're available across your devices. Now that we've got the sync setting sorted, open the Photos app on your iPhone. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see all your iCloud photos and videos automatically appear in the app. The syncing essentially mirrors everything stored on iCloud to your device, making it easy to access your complete photo library right from your phone. Another crucial part of ensuring your photos sync correctly is checking your internet connection. Access to the internet is vital for iCloud to upload and download your photos. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or that your mobile data is turned on. Without a reliable internet connection, iCloud won't be able to send or receive the latest updates for your photo library. Remember, while mobile data works, using Wi-Fi can prevent extra charges on your data plan. Once your connection is set, navigating your photos becomes simple. Within the Photos app, you can use the Albums feature. This neatly organizes your photos into categories such as recent photos, favorites, or any custom albums you might have created. Alternatively, if you're looking for something specific, use the search bar. Simply type in a keyword and the app will help you locate the exact photo you need. A truly handy tool for finding specific memories in a vast library. And that's it. You've now completed the steps necessary to view your iCloud photos directly on your iPhone. With these easy to follow instructions, you can effortlessly access and relive all your photographic moments no matter where you are. Thanks for joining me today, and remember to enjoy your journey through your photo memories.